Hey, welcome back. So this is a totally optional video just to clarify some of the things. So as you might have seen in my screen recordings, I am using Linux. I am not using Windows or Mac OS. And you might be thinking like, hey, does that affect the code which we are writing inside of this course? No, it does not affect the code, okay? The code which we will be writing throughout this particular course, it will be same for all of the machines, okay? So you do not worry about anything, you just follow along, okay? So my setup looks a little bit different, I know, but the code which we will be writing throughout the codes will be same throughout all of the machines. HTML does not change from machine to machine. HTML code is universal code, and if you write the proper code and follow along properly with the course videos, then you are good to go. Okay, so I just wanted to clarify this particular thing. Okay, all right, this is totally optional video, so feel free to skip that. All right.